2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you how to listen to the music by the Doobie Brothers. I decided to do Capo 2 for nice open chords on the acoustic guitar. I don't think they used the Capo, but let's do that. And we got two different ways to play the open riff. We can either do it here, or we can do it here. I think we're gonna do it here. So the song is in D shape with Cape 2. We want a bar, second fret like that. D, G, and B string. And we want to hammer on second finger and third finger too. Third fret, B, and fourth fret, D. And then we want to hit a D chord shape and go. See. So that's D to D sus. And then we have a B minor bar chord, second finger, third, pinky, first finger, third, fourth, second. B minor to A, to G. That's the verse part. B minor, G major, B minor, G major, this is 3 times, B minor, G major, E major, G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, back to riff. Minor, chorus. E major. So it's two different times they stay on the G longer. So each time after you go to the B minor A to G, they stay twice as long, and also the chorus after the E major, they stay twice as long on the G. Alright, and then we have a bridge, which is D major to D sus to G major. So D sus is like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just bar. 5th fret from the A string. 2, 3, 4, 2. Alright, let's play one more time up to regular speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor, A, back to riff, vocals, B minor, okay, chorus. Another thing to think about is when you play the riff, during the verse, second time before they go to the B minor, they don't do the D sus thing, they just do the and then 1, 2, 3. Vocals. Okay, so that's half of one, and then you go to B. The same thing happens before the chorus. Cool. Listen to the music. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. More classic songs. Be safe.